So thereby, ladies and gentlemen, there are so many thought processes are going on. So let me share quickly with all of you. Top projects managed in an excellent way are recognized internationally as best in the class and receive awards. So international recognition, prestige, experience, and benchmarking. So facts about the awards. This is promotes excellence in education and skill development. 1108 application received by Amit Pundirji. 350 finalists by Amit Pundirji. Applicants from education institutes and edtech by Amit Pundirji. And jury selected 45 winners by Amit Pundirji. So teacher competency, overall students development, academic excellence, pedagogical performance, institute oblique individual reputations, value for money, all of us together. After each parameter was processed, we produced a standardized score for each parameter at each award nominee. After assigning weights, an overall score was calculated for each educational institute by applying the assigned weight to award nominee individual parameters. Your work can speak for itself if you have enough overall visibility. So congratulations to all the award winners. Blessings from the ICSI, but the names and details coming from Amit Pundir. Leadership Award for the education sector and leading international personalities. So ladies and gentlemen, excellence in global collaborative learning. This is Nav Rachna International School, Vadodara, Gujarat. इनके यहाँ से जो भी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं अपने माइक को अनम्यूट करके और भगवान को हाजिर नाजिर रख के 1 मिनट बोल लीजिए अपने बारे में, अपने इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में जो भी कहना चाहते हैं, लेकिन 1 मिनट के बाद प्लीज अपनी वाणी को आराम दीजिएगा. ओके, नवरचना इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, वडोदरा, गुजरात, इंडिया.
Yeah, hello. I am Theophane D'Souza. I'm the principal of Navrachna International School, Vadodara. Can you hear me?
Sir, we can hear you louder and wonderful, and heartiest congratulations from Amit Pundir.
Thank you so much. And I want to thank you and the organizers for bestowing on us this award for excellence. In fact, it will only spur us on to do more in this area of global collaboration, collaborative learning. I hope we truly become worthy of receiving this award and continue doing the work that we have always gone ahead with. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless you and heartiest congratulations to you. My soul will get peace if you organize a capacity building complimentary program from our chamber for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, any day, whenever you feel like, for your teachers, and a motivational talk for your youth. And at the same time, if you have got girl children in your school or college or institution, get 5 children in the webinar in the evening, 5 to 6 p.m. to air their voice, their views and their vocals, to line up and get connected with the world. And heartiest congratulations to you, sir.
Sure, sir. I will come back to you through an email.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Kindly post your detail in the chat box, sir, so that I can get connected. I will come with my humble request to you.
I have already done so.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Best use of digital technology. Sure. Delhi School of Excellence, Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Male or female, ladies and gentlemen, whosoever is representing, kindly speak for a minute. Heartiest congratulations to you. Kindly unmute you.
I am here, sir. Good afternoon, Dr. Gulshan, sir, and good afternoon to all the panelists. I am feeling very happy and thrilled. Thank you so much for selecting my school as one of the award winners. Gulshan, sir, before I conclude my talk about the award, I would definitely like to know the secret of your energy, because I am seeing you have been continuously speaking. There has been the consistency in your strength, vigor, and vibration has not reduced a bit. So very proud to be part of this summit today. There is a lot which I have learned, and Delhi School of Excellence, Banjara Hills, is in Hyderabad.
Banjara Hills, okay.
It's an upcoming school. It's 6 years old, and the pandemic has actually given us a lot of scope to work on the best use of digital technology. Equipping teachers with technology was one of the challenges which we faced during the pandemic, but thanks to the technology, that teachers were able to equip themselves and they were able to connect with the students. A virtual strong bond has been created now, and I'm sure, with technology, we have way ahead to go. Let me offer my sincere appreciation and the deepest gratitude to the summit for organizing such a wonderful program. The takeaways are invaluable, the takeaways are precious, and I would be was actually blessed to be part of this wonderful organization, sir. Wonderful summit, wonderful conclave. Thank you to all the panelists. There is a lot to learn from each one of you. Today, when I look at these wonderful speakers who spoke today, it definitely says that yes, learning is a continuous process. Blessed to be part of this conclave. Gulshan sir, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my little sister. I would request all the participants kindly give your name also, like initially from the Vadodara we got it, because it would help us to recognize you better. Kindly post your detail in the chat box. Now my soul would be happy because when you talk about Banjara Hills, you are taking me back in my journey somewhere 27 years back. I had gone to Taj Hotel to do the film shooting with Anil Kapoor and Madhuri Dixit from the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. The movie was Pukar and Panchagutha and Kakaria, Hotel Kakaria. So all the places, beautiful. Telangana is beautiful. Hyderabad is beautiful. And my memory lane also goes back. While being with the Ministry of Tourism, we installed sound and light show at Golconda Fort. So it's a lovely place. It's a wonderful place. I look forward to interact with your teachers and your students.
Thank you so much, sir. So
please
next time,
yes, please bring more and more youth and more and more
sir,
teachers
definitely.
every day, 5 p.m. in the evening in the webinar. No logging in. See the YouTube. See the YouTube.
Yes,
So
sir.
heartiest congratulations. Thank you, sister.
Yes, sir. Next time you're in Hyderabad, walk few steps from the hotel and you will find my school, sir.
Thank you, sister. Thank you. So best use of digital technology, Srivastava, Vishwanathan, Vivekananda Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Chittalapakam, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Great. So whosoever is representing this organization, prestigious, heartiest congratulations, and kindly speak for a minute, please. Okay, let's go to the next one. Excellence in STEAM education. Yes, it was a great learning for me also, and the wonderful panel discussion today from STEM we came to STEAM. और बहुत सारी भाप निकली यहाँ पर. Vidya Devi, Jindal School, Delhi Road, Hisar, Haryana. Whosoever has joined us, you can speak about a minute or so and share your name, vision, details. Okay, next. Excellence in STEAM education. This is Jiva Public School, Faridabad, Haryana, India. Anybody? Heartiest congratulations. Okay, next. You are very nice people. You are not taking my time. Excellence in teaching pedagogy. It is Banyan Tree School, Sector 48B, Chandigarh. Wow. Okay, anybody from here? Okay, heartiest congratulations to you. And excellence in teaching pedagogy. This is Asheville World School, Mohap, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Is there anybody from Asheville World School?
Yes, sir. I am very much here.
Heartiest congratulations. Please address yourself, name yourself, and then.
Hello. Now our management is also there. Sarita Tiwari.
Somebody can speak. Whosoever wants, heartiest congratulations.
So this school is in the rural area, and it is a CBSE school.
Okay.
We are trying our best to make this school, having all the facilities which are given to the urban area schools. Thank you very much, sir. Sarita Tiwari ji is there.
Ma'am, how far is it from the main Mumbai, or when you say rural area? So how far are you?
I think it is at least 40, 50 kilometers away from there.
40, 50 kilometers. So rural area children need more hand holding. I give you an offer. Any day you need your teacher empowerment program, I will do personally, separately for your children and for your teachers.
Sir, it is welcome, and we are going to take help from you. Nothing can be better than having you as a, our
sister, all digital.
Thank you very much.
All digital. Okay, should we proceed?
Sir, if I can just interrupt you.
Please.
Sudeshna Sharma, Principal, Banyan Tree School, Chandigarh. I'm sorry I did not unmute myself.
No worries.
Introduce.
So heartiest congratulations to you, and heartiest congratulations to Mr. Brar, the Director Education, and heartiest congratulations to my friend Arun Gupta, Secretary Education. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much, and it's a pleasure to be here on this platform to interact, know each other, and exchange our views. My team, I just wanted to say that my team now believes very strongly that education is not preparing pupils, to clear the curriculum of respective class with flying colors and moving to the next grade with a graceful report card under the arm. So they are all working very hard, chiseling personalities, focusing on more skill-based education, that school, that they should be able to contribute effectively the moment they come back, they become part of the mainstream society and life. And,
thank you.
And last, I just want to finish by saying that, we are giving a new direction to education by recognizing the original contribution in the form of creativity, problem solving, and research methodology, which is most important, innovation, not to leave that aside. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And as the elder brother, I can only request my little sister that your contribution, hamare bhiksha mein, hamare kamandal mein, you should get all the principals and all the counselors and everybody in Chandigarh together in one group so that we can post every evening's program over there. And with Mr. Brar, we have done lots of program because Honorable Governor and Administrator Chandigarh, with him, we have done lots of program for teacher empowerment, for Punjab also, for Haryana also, and for Chandigarh also. So our deep regards to you. So excellence in teaching pedagogy, Vriksha Global School, Namakkal, Tamil Nadu, India. If somebody is there, kindly let's hear your thought process for a minute and introduce yourself, please. Please.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to one and all present here. It is I would like to thank on behalf of my management that this award has been given to you. Yes, given to us. Yes, we do believe that the holistic personality development of a child, and we believe that to instill the ability to learn, inquire, think and understand are some of the inbuilt things which are to be inculcated in the current students, not only getting into this classrooms, learning via your teachers teaching, all that is purana ho gaya, I think, all those things. So we need to equip with what the students of today want, what the kids of today need. On that basis, we are adapting to day-to-day activities. We are adapting to the latest technology. We are trying our level best to give the 110%, as you say, sir, that jitna abhi do kam hai actually, lekin jitna humse ho padta hai, utna hum kar rahe hain. Thank you so much for the recognition given, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
God bless all of you. God bless all of you. हमको तमिलनाडु के साथ जोड़िए, तमिलनाडु के साथ जोड़िए, हमको तमिलनाडु के साथ जुड़ना है.
Sure, sir. Sure. All the time. It's a welcoming place. You are most welcome to our.
God bless. God bless, sister.
Thank
God
you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Excellence in teaching pedagogy. This is Vibgyor High, Kolhapur, Maharashtra, India. Heartiest congratulations if somebody is there from this organization. Okay, let's go to the next one. Innovation and excellence in rural education. Sundar English Medium School, Karjat, Raigad, Maharashtra. Is there somebody from here? Okay, let's go to the next one. Innovation and excellence in rural education. This is Sholaka, a Birla School, Tirupati, Chittor, Andhra Pradesh. Is there someone?
Yes, sir. This is Sindhu Palle.
Okay. Heartiest congratulations. You spoke so well. मैडम हमको तिरुपति आना है एक बार पूजा के लिए.
सर जरूर आइए सर, जरूर
Okay,
आइए.
God bless you. God bless you, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. This is Sindhu Palle, principal of Shloka Birla School, Tirupati Temple Town, located in Chittoor district, Andhra Pradesh. So our school is located in Tondavada village. It's in rural area, sir. So the motive of our management is totally to give the technology and modern education and holistic learning to the rural background children. So with
Wonderful.
this motive, with this vision, our management established here, and
Wonderful.
we are blessed with Lord Venkateshwara, and also
Wonderful.
thank you very much for you, sir.
Thank you.
Especially,
Thank
and
you.
thank you very much for Amit also, because he
Thank you.
encouraged me. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you.
Once again,
Thank you,
very much.
sister. Thank you,
Yes.
sister. You spoke so well in the panel discussion, and let me share with all of you. 27th September was the World Tourism Day, and this year on the World Tourism Day theme was rural tourism. Those of us, those are running schools in the rural areas. I can tell you how can you build lot of revenue for your school? What exactly activities can take place over there? My master's and my PhD both are in tourism, hospitality, and aviation industry. So when I come from services sector, it's a complementary services I would like to give to all of you. It is up to you how much you can take from me before I close my eyes, because I am now moving in the direction where I want to get moksha, but I don't know. I have to come back on the planet in some other form again, in some reptile or whatever it has to happen, in any form of an insect. But before I close my eyes, I have got only one dream. India has to become Vishwaguru Punah. Punah, India has to become Vishwaguru. And those people, those are in rural areas. I'm helping tribal belts and I'm helping rural belts. From our chamber, with the help of the non-resident Indians, our first priority would be to help the rural. India still lives in villages. We belong to rural economy. We belong to rural India. So we would be more than happy to empower those of us, those are in rural areas. We would do your hand holding. It is up to you. Today, the God has given this opportunity in chat box. Kindly put your name, your school and details. If it gets into my mobile phone, whenever you will, because I don't pick up any unknown numbers, because there's so many people world over, it's very difficult. But if I get your number in my mobile phone, because God has brought all of us together on a World Teachers Day, let us take this journey forward. It should not remain only a mere deliberations and, like it happens in the conferences and conventions. It is meeting, then it is greeting, then it is eating, and then pushing off from there. That should not happen. Let us start a wonderful journey today, all of us together as brothers and sisters. And we got to empower the entire universe, all of us. So innovative and creative teaching in preschool. This is the...
Sorry for the interruption, sir.
Yes,
Just
yes.
here, few of my staff, admin people are here. They want
God bless them. God bless them, sister. Sister, God bless them. They are wonderful people. And we will do a wonderful program for them one of these days. I promise you. I commit to you. Right? I commit to you. We will do a program. And they are future. They are future. They are tomorrow. And we have to encourage them as much as we can. I will give you some secrets how your institute can do wonders in the rural area. Never ever worry on that. What is our location? Where are we? How many, how rich are our students or how rich are our teacher? Doesn't make a difference. I will tell you, because I come from a very humble family. If I could reach over here, anybody out of all of us, those are watching this particular program, I pinch some time myself. How it happened that I traveled 119 countries. How it happened that I traveled in a business class. How it happened that the person who did his 8th class in one short and one shirt. And I used to take a tuition in the evening to survive with my family so that my father has not to pay for my education. When I joined the army, I wanted to retire as a lieutenant general. Destiny had something else in the storage for me. I became the casualty, medical category down, master's, PhD, going to Ministry of Tourism, drafting India's first MBA tourism. setting up first institute for tourism in India. And with Bangalore, I have got a lot of emotional bond because I set up for Army Hotel Management Institute in Bangalore. There's so much we all can do. And today, for the last 6 years, I have dedicated the entire energy for Northeast part of India. So what I'm telling all of you is, let's do together something. Okay, innovative and creative teaching initiative in the preschool.
You're forcing me to speak, Mr. Gulshan Sharma, because I did my master's in tourism, and I think we should have a chat about that because
Sure, sir. We will, sir. We will, sir. Sir, I dream tourism. I think tourism. I sleep tourism. I get up tourism. It is right in my soul. We will talk about it, sir.
Also, in the IGNOU master's program, I designed it way back in '99. Bye.
I'm so happy, sir. I left Ministry of Tourism in 1993, sir. And with the IGNOU and the College of Vocational Studies, there used to be a lady called Meena Singh. I don't know, sir, what all. And I set up IITTM, Indian Institute of Travel and Tourism Management, for the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, Gwalior, Bhubaneswar. Then I set up IITTM, Lucknow. Then I started MBA Tourism, Kurukshetra, Jodhpur, Shimla. Then there is one place I don't know in Tiruvananthapuram, then Tamil Nadu. There is a beautiful place called Kottayalam in Tamil Nadu. I used to go there only for the holy bath, standing under that waterfall. So much is going in the history. Okay. Anybody from Kerala? Anybody from Kerala? Okay. So, innovative and creative teaching initiative in the preschool. It is Bloomingdale International School, Junnar, Pune, Maharashtra. If anybody is there from this prestigious institution, I would request you to speak for a minute, please.
A very happy noon, sir. I'm very much overwhelmed. I hope
God
I'm audible.
Yeah. Yes, Usha ma'am.
Yes,
Oh, you were the part of the deliberations. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead, ma'am. Please go ahead.
My heartfelt gratitude to the committee.
I hope Dr. John Abraham is not there to stop you. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, sir. My heartfelt gratitude to the program committee, especially to you, sir, most energetic person, and Amit, sir, for having selecting Bloomingdale International School for the best initiatives we have been taking to develop the students in an overall way. I would even like to thank our lovely management, lady Mrs. Gauri Benke ma'am, who has given me free hand to work, which always gives and doubles up my energy. I also would like to appreciate my teachers who have been a great support to me. I extend my heartfelt thank you. To the end of my sentences, I would just want to say that the synonym of academics and virtues, the synonym of Bloomingdale is academics and virtues is our school's mission. In another year, we want to transform every student to be the best in communicative skills and in overall development, where their thinking process is given more emphasis so that they can think and develop on their own in every sense of academics. Thank you so much for the award, sir. Thank you so much.
God bless. God bless. Because you're in Pune, it's a beautiful climate, beautiful weather. It's a wonderful place. Sir, people are very nice, very energetic. Yes, please.
Sir, we are 70 kilometers away from Pune.
70 kilometers is nothing for the armed forces, ma'am.
Okay.
So nothing to worry on that. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Innovative and creative teaching initiative in the preschool. That is Vidyachal, the school, Akola, Maharashtra. If somebody is there from this institution, I would request you to speak for a minute. Otherwise, we move to the next one. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, innovative and creative teaching initiative in the preschool. It is Sri Hanumat International Public School, Goraya, Jalandhar, Punjab. Is there somebody? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Best school of the region. This is the Amber International School, Thane, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. I'm pretty sure somebody must be there from this institution. Okay, let's go to the next one.
I am
Best
here.
school. Okay, okay, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So good evening.
That's what I was thinking. Somebody has to
Yeah,
be there.
yeah.
Okay, please go
Yes,
ahead. Please
yes.
go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Yeah, I am Dr. Shilpa Jazurkar, the principal of Amber
Yes,
International School,
yes,
Thane.
yes, yes.
And I'll tell a few USPs about my school. My
Yeah.
school is almost 15 years old school, and
Wow.
we have got the affiliation till senior secondary for all the three streams: science, commerce, and humanities. The USP of my school would be we would like to give affordable education, quality education at affordable cost. That is the first thing. Secondly, the promoters or the mentors of my school would like to give lot of application based knowledge. They should learn everything in the school, like taking them to ISRO activities, then having organic farming in the school. So all these types of things we would like to involve in our school, right from giving internship from grade 7 onwards. So we would be taking our children for industrial visits quite often from grade 7 onwards, because our children lack into those skills. They have all
Okay.
the knowledge what we give from the textbooks, but they lack the application skills. So we would like to give them all the application skills more in our schools. So that is the
Okay.
USP of our school.
Thank you.
And thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir, for
God
awarding
bless
us with
you.
this
God
award.
bless you. God bless you.
Thank you,
Please
thank
bring your children every day at 5 p.m. in the evening.
Yes.
Please bring your teachers also every day in the evening. Let everybody get empowered.
Yes.
Best school of the region, Rian International School,
Thank you,
Ajmer, Rajasthan. Is there someone? Okay, let me go to the next one. Best EdTech solution of LMS. This is a Flip Learn Education Private Limited. Is someone there from Divyalalji's organization? Okay, let's go to the next one. Best institute in job placement, Kanpur Institute of Technology, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Is there someone? Okay. Then comes excellence in enabling research. Amit comes out with beautiful coining of the words. Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Is there someone? Okay. Excellence in enabling research. Shri Sairam IM Sairam Engineering College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay. Innovative projects in higher education, VNR Vignana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, Secunderabad, Telangana, India. Okay. Let me go to outstanding contribution to community. Yes. Community is very important for all of us. Dr. John Abraham, Director, SCAD World School, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. Dr. John Abraham.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, let's share your thought for a minute.
Thank you very
Heartiest
much, sir. I'm
congratulations.
really humbled.
Heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. I'm really humbled. It has been a very short journey for 30 years, 3 decades in this field of education. I started with a very small school and then went on to Bishop Cotton Boys School. I'm basically from Bangalore.
Okay.
And worked in Bishop Cotton Boys School for 15 years and then came out.
Okay.
And at present, I'm working as a director for the SCAD group of schools. Now, SCAD is actually social change and development. That is what SCAD stands for. And this is an organization which has almost 21 institutions. And we cater to all strata of community and people. Especially our mission is whatever money that we collect in the form of fees, we try to reach out to poor people. Especially we have taken projects for salt pan workers in Tuticorin, leprosy. And we also have a school which caters to, physically challenged, what we say, differently abled children. Around 90 students are there. And it is our 5 schools which supports these organization. So I'm really humbled that I have been chosen, and I take one day at a time. That is how it is. And I try to keep things very simple to students and to the people that come across me. So thank you very much. And a special thanks to International Chamber for Service Industry. And a special thanks to Mr. Amit. I think I should even thank him also, because he had been coordinating with me for last 1 or 2 weeks. And the credit also goes to an organization which you are leading with such so much of energy and power. Thank you, Dr. Gulshan Sarma.
Thank you. Thank you. First of all, my blessings to your son who helped you to repair the flat tire, and remember him to me.
Yes,
And
sure.
secondly, I made a commitment to you that I will be inviting you and on SCAD. So right over here in a public, I give you an offer. 12:30 100 hours on Thursday, 8th of October, I'll interview you.
Thank you,
On
sir.
8th of October, 12:30 to 1:30, 1 hour will be your journey. And you have to prepare your slides, PPT, because world over, everybody doesn't understand English that well. Some Spanish people would be there, German would be there, Italian would be there, and of course, French people would also be there world over. So younger generation, we will work it out, we'll plan it out. And because particularly what has touched me is social change. Because this you have to focus. I would be more keen about it. Development, I'm not that keen about because that should become a byproduct. Social change is very, very important in society, which we would be focusing on. So you kindly talk about SCAD, and that I have earmarked, and my team is also listening. It's a SCAD 12:30 100 hours Thursday. That is on October 8th, right? So that we will go ahead. And thank you very much. Let me just go to the next one. Outstanding contribution to community. Dr. C.B. Mishra, Director Principal, Prudence Group of Schools, Delhi. Heartiest congratulations to you. Dr. you should be there because you contributed so much to the panel discussion. Is it there, Dr. C.B. Mishra? Okay, let's proceed further. Outstanding contribution to community, Dr. Mridul Dharwal, Professor of Economics, member IQAC, Sharda University, Uttar Pradesh, India. If you're there, we would request you to share your vision. Okay, let me proceed further. Outstanding contribution to community, Madam Kajal Chatija, founder and educational change maker, EduDrone. You get 1 minute. Kindly share your vision.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Gulshan sir, and thank you, Amit sir, for giving me this opportunity and acknowledging my efforts where I organize, sessions for leaders, and on NEP 2020, we deliberated discussions and we gathered, you can say, more than 500 leaders on 20th and 29th of August and had a wonderful and brilliant session. And we have been doing this on every Saturday and Sunday, and it's totally unconditional. And today, sir, it's a great day for me. I want to do an announcement where in this room I have my guru Shakuntala Jaisinghani ma'am. She's there, she's present, and I have given 8 years of my this journey to, so thanks to her as well for empowering, for grooming. It's been wonderful journey. And I want to do one more announcement that I've also become an executive director of Gayatri English Medium School. And thank you so much for this recognition. This means the world for me, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Kajal ma'am. If you remember, I gave you a time, 40 minutes, one-to-one discussion on the soft talk, and you made a commitment which is yet pending. So today I would like to make a request to you as a father, as the elder brother. Now, today you have got Dr. Rupali Dhamdhere, the principal, Trinity International School, and there was another lady from Pune who just now spoke. My request to you would be, please get across to everybody, build a community in Pune. You be the coordinator. You have, because see, you got the lead. You got the time. We gave you anchoring from our chamber, and more than 2 lakh people have already watched your video world over. So without charging single rupee from you, we gave you a beautiful platform. So you owe to society and civilization, humanity, something back. So I would request you, please coordinate with everybody. And we have to do something for our society, our civilization, our humanity. So those are in Pune. More and more people, you should do networking. because Bharat अपने आप विश्व गुरु नहीं बनेगा. Let me tell you once again, ऐसे नहीं बनेगा. The world is moving all together in a different direction. Unless we all get together and move like a family, it will not work. It will not work, because we
Yes,
all
sir.
have to be one family. So I would request you, please coordinate with everybody. And next
Yes.
platform, if I meet and if I don't see the results, I will ask you in the panel discussion itself. I'm telling you. Education icon, Professor Dr. Jag Bajaj, expert UNESCO, Tirana, Albania. Are you there? Are you there? Okay. So let me just go to the next one, education icon. Mr. Neeraj Mohan Puri, Principal, Modern Sandeepni School, Pathankot, Punjab. I hope you are there, Mr. Puri.
Yes, sir. Wonderful
Yeah.
evening. I'm very much there.
And you spoke this morning in that panel discussion.
Yes, sir. In the first panel at
Yes,
number 4.
you were so smartly dressed up. I thought I should also buy a shirt like that. And the scarf,
Thank you.
the scarf you were putting on, I thought Devanand used to put on cap and you were putting on scarf. So Pathankot and Gurdaspur are not very far away from each other. Okay, please
Yes,
go
sir.
ahead. Yeah,
Thank you
please go
very
ahead.
much, sir. Indeed, it's a pleasure, and you have added so many compliments. Really, it's a dream come true. This is my second award in row in this year. Last month, I was awarded by Global Teachers Award on the eve of Teachers Day. And so I took up this institution where I'm currently leading. This is more than 2 years decade. So it talks about the fidelity in the commitment. In fact, I started my journey from this institution way back 2001 as a TGT, being the youngest teacher. So it's a boarding cum day boarding school, and I'm a director with the second branch of the school, which we brought into this implementation last year. That is Sandeepni Gurukul.
Okay.
It's a boarding cum day boarding school. And
Wonderful.
even I took an opportunity during this adverse time of pandemic. I founded one NGO with the name of GOAL, that is Global Organization of Academic Leaders. So where we are empowering the unsung heroes, teachers, principals, pan India.
Okay, great.
That's
great.
precisely.
And do you belong to Pathankot?
So I am born and brought up in Punjab itself. Faridkot is my birthplace, but I spend maximum part here in Pathankot.
Okay. One of our past president was from Faridkot. He is the richest NRI at Malibu, where Madonna comes for the morning singing and morning jogging with him. He's a classmate of Prakash Singh Badalji. His name is Dr. A.S. Marwaha, and he's the president of India America Dental Association. And Mr. Deepak Hilori, the SSP of Pathankot, is a very dear friend of mine. So sometime I'll put you across. You can do some program for police people also.
We keep on doing, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
God bless you. So education icon, Madam Shakuntala Jaisinghani, Director, Trinity International School, Pune, Mumbai. So where is Kajal ma'am? You have got one more person from Pune. Yeah. Now Pune people are coming. If you don't show me the kitty up to 1 lakh, then you see. Okay, please go ahead. Heartiest congratulations. Shakuntala Jaisinghani ma'am.
Thank you and good afternoon to everyone. Thank you to all of you, ICSI and Dr. Gulshan especially. I'm very impressed with your work. And let me tell you, I'm older than you. I have spent more than 4 decades.
Sister, never ever ask sister's age. So I think you have not touched 74 so far. So
I have almost. I'm 73 plus.
So abhi piche hai sister. No problem.
I'm very proud of it. I'm proud of it. And I feel that, I've spent for more than 4 decades in the education field. And, I have to adjust and readjust my lens throughout this journey. And let me tell you, even when I was a teacher in the 1980s, I used to always start my teaching from one point, and that is, what do children need? What do the students need? Today we call it child-centric. That word was not coined at that time. And I used to do a lot of things which were, like I used to teach biology. I remember teaching evolution of, Darwin's evolution in the form of a story to my 10th class students. I used to tell them, close your book. I'm going to tell you a story. And I gave them the full story of the beacon, how he went and how he found the evidences. And for my space chapter is to take them to the planetarium. And there used to be actually what we call now experiential learning. All these new terms have been coined now, but that's how I started my journey. And today, with all the resources available, I'm able to bring in so many innovations. This school, the Trinity School, started by me only 5 years back as a founder principal. Now Dr. Rupali Dhamdare is the principal. I'm the director, and I'm now totally focusing on all the new good practices. And I do need time to talk about them. Something which I introduced called the corridor. You know, we used to use even the corridors. We call them the learning corridors, where learning was not a compulsion, but a joy, but a choice, where children could do so many things which were extended out of their classrooms. I must tell you about it's a wonderful innovation. And one more thing that we started was subject classrooms. Instead of teachers going to different classes, children move from one class to the other. They get that space in between, you know, to move from, say, an English to a math class. They need that 5 minutes place. When they go out into the corridor, they go on to their lockers and take out their books. And in that time, they even have a little chat with their peers and then go to the classroom, next classroom, all fresh, you know, to ready to take on the next subject. And each subject room is so designed that it's all, the whole environment speaks of that subject. A lot of things that I would like to discuss, but now we have no time. Some other time, Dr. Gulshan, I agree with you. We should not leave it at this and we should take it further. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sister. Thank you. God bless you. Kajal ma'am, are you on the listening grill?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Kindly slate her and kindly slot her for 9th of October, Friday at 12:30 for interaction with me. And the only thing which appealed me when she told children, close your books and talk to me. That is the discussion I'm going to have with her. Children, close your books and talk to me. No books, nothing.
Yes,
children, just close your books and talk to me. So 9th of October, Friday, 12:30, 12:30. And Ajay, my director technical, and Chitra ma'am, my DDG, you both are listening. So kindly, because with my memory, it shouldn't happen that I make a commitment and thereafter I become a defaulter. So please take care of that in the best possible way. And we will get you, ma'am. And when you told Dr. Rupali, your principal, wonderful lady, she did a commendable job this morning. My blessings and my compliments to her. And she's a Nirma girl at the age of 15 years.
Okay. No, and do you know that Kajal is one of my mentorees? I have mentored Kajal past 8 years. I think she talked about me in her speech also.
God bless you. God bless. God bless.
Lovely person. She's a lovely person.
सर आज हिस्ट्री हो गई सर, गुरु और शिष्य एक साथ बैठिए सर, दोनों को अवार्ड मिले।
ठीक है, God bless. Okay, education icon Dr. N.S. Kumar, Professor and HOD Civil Engineering, Gausia College of Engineering, Ramanagra, Karnataka, India. My sincere apologies if I don't pronounce any word properly. You can well imagine I'm a Punjabi. Punjabis cannot speak good English. So thereby, please pardon me on that if I'm not in a position to pronounce anything properly. Okay, so Dr. N.S. Kumar, are you there? Okay, let me move to the next one. Extraordinary commitment to the student success, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Singh, Principal, International Delhi Public School, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Right, let me move. Extraordinary commitment to student success, Mr. Sanjay Datta, Principal, Maharana Mewar Public School, Udaipur, Rajasthan. मैंने आपसे कहा था संजय दत्ता जी, हम बहुत जल्द दोबारा फिर एक बार मिलेंगे और देखिए आज वर्ल्ड टीचर्स डे पर हम फिर दोबारा मिल गए because that day itself I spotted you और आपके जो सेकंड थे वो मेरे साथ प्रोग्राम में आ गए और आप रह गए थे। आज आप फिर दोबारा जुड़ गए और आप मेरे साथ are you there संजय दत्ता जी?
Very much there.
Okay, 19 तारीख को दोपहर को 12:30 बजे 19th of October is my next slot. I will have you with me, Mr. Sanjay Datta. Mr. Sanjay Datta. Okay. Ajay, you got to note down. Okay. Fine. Sanjay Datta ji. Okay. Fine. Kajal ma'am, you can also note down. You can give to Chitra ma'am later on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Mr. Sanjay Datta, kindly have, although you were the moderator this morning, you spoke enough. I also spoke enough. फिर भी 1 minute आप जरूर बोलिए.
No, but then the institutions that I represent presently is what I'd like to talk about. And there are 2 educational institutions being run by the royal family of Mewar. One we are operating out of the City Palace of Udaipur, which is called Maharana Mewar Public School, which is what I'm representing here. And then we have another Vidya Mandir. The great thing about the institutions is that they have inherited what was started almost 150 years ago. So education has been around in Udaipur. The initiatives have been there. And from 1800s, they have been running schools which were then taken over by the government, which still run. And these particular institutions run since 1974 and are part of the charitable foundation and its efforts. The last 10 years, I have been serving on this. And before that, there is a journey that we shall talk about, the date that you gave, that is the 19th of October and 30.
God bless you. God bless you.
Common interest of tourism then.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you.
And let me move to Education Rising Star of the Year. Madam C. Pratibha ji. Yes, she was there. Shaloka CBSE School, Jat Cherla, Mahabuba Nagar, Telangana, India. Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sister. Good evening. Hearty welcome.
Good evening, sir, once again.
Yeah.
And good evening to all the other panel members.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. I am receiving this award I'm excited. There are no words to speak. First of all, I would like to thank my parents who have brought up in such an environment. My father, he worked in a bank, State Bank of Hyderabad. We were moving from one place to another place, and all this what I have urged in my life, especially in my childhood, it all added up to my life. So I thank to my parents, and I thank Swami Vivekananda because I'm a devotee of Swami Vivekananda. I just follow the principles, what he has said.
Wow.
And apart from that, coming to the school, I represent Shloka School as a principal, and I'm thankful to all my team members, all the staff members, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and every member, and especially students, parents who are being collaborating in all the activities so far we have been conducting. And I thank all the staff members once again. And every Saturday we conduct multiple programs, sir. Saturday it's more than teaching, it's co-curricular activities and debates, elocution to all the grades. Even pre-primary also do participate in seminars. So my thought is to make every child to possess good life skills and good character. And these students, right now, these students, individual child is going to make a family, and the entire community, society, and states, and entire country and world, they are going to represent. And we have to take it as a challenge. Every teacher, whichever school they might be working, wherever they might be working, we shall make it a point that we will uplift every child in all sectors, in all promotions. Thank you for promoting me for the Education Rising Star of the Year. Thank you once again, sir.
Where exactly are you located in Telangana, ma'am? Where
our
exactly
school, yes, sir. Our school is located 80 kilometers away from Hyderabad, sir.
Okay,
it is located in a rural area, and it's a big task. It's just a new
don't worry,
school.
Don't worry, we will help you. We will help
you. It's just a 5-year-old school. It's just a baby for me.
Great. We will help you.
It's a good task. And I love to be in the school from morning till evening.
Great. God bless you, ma'am.
Enjoying the work. Thank you, sir.
You mentioned about Swami Vivekananda ji. I just wish to share with you that every Friday evening we have got a program on Swami Vivekananda at 5 p.m. Last week we had Swami ji from Chicago. Before that we had from Boston. Before that we had from California. And
Sir.
next week is Swami Sarvapriya Nandaji from New York. He's coming. So,
Yes.
11th of September, 1893, 127 years back, Chicago, Sisters and Brothers of the Universe. And that was Swami Vivekanandji. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
heartiest
yes.
congratulations to you. Thank you.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
ladies and
Thank you once
gentlemen,
again.
Education Rising Star of the Year, Monica Kapoor, Vagat Pace Global School, that is at Vasai, Khanewade, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Monica Kapoor, ma'am, are you there? We didn't see you. Okay. Best Principal Award, Dr. K. Sujata, Principal, Shri Suswani Matha Jain Vidyalaya, Pulian Thop, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Are you there? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, Best Principal Award, Mr. Anil Mukhija, Principal, Raj International School, Rewari, Haryana. Are you there? Okay. Let me go. Best Principal Award, Dr. Ishwari Prabhakar, Principal, Delhi Public School, Anandapuram, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Ishwari Prabhakarji, are you there? Okay, let me go to the next one. Best Principal Award, Madam Bharti Bhagwani, Principal, GG International School, Pimpri, Pune, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Are you there, ma'am? Okay, Kajol ma'am, note down this name also. Again from Pune.
I have the number.
You are there, ma'am?
Yes, I know her, sir. She's my friend.
Okay. I thought Bharti ji is speaking. Okay. That comes Best Principal Award, Dr. Mrs. Raman Dua, Principal, Majha Public School, Taran, Majha, Punjab, India. Are you there, ma'am? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Best Principal Award, Mr. Bharat Bhushan Jha, Principal, Podar International School, Latur, Maharashtra. Are you there? Ladies and gentlemen, these awards are coming from Amit Pundir. These are coming to you from Think Unique. Dr. Srimati Reena Pathakji, Seth M.R.
Yes, good
Jaipuria
evening,
School.
sir.
Yeah, Goel Campus, Lucknow. Heartiest congratulations. Please go ahead, ma'am. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. At the outset, I would definitely like to say that I'm really impressed by the energy that throughout the day. And Einstein's word as creativity is contagious, pass it on, has been so true. In your case, you have passed on that creativity. And we are blessed today, and we are actually grateful to you and the team for giving us this award. And we would hope and pray that we actually live up to the expectations which are actually on us, on our shoulders.
God bless you, ma'am. God bless you. Thanks for joining. And the most important thing is I'm looking forward to the historic moment when all of us, we will come together in a small picture, the whole family on the World Teacher Day, and that will go on the YouTube right across to the whole world. So,
and I would like to add, sir, that my father-in-law has been the Vice Chancellor of Lucknow University. And
wow.
That I should also scale to great heights. And today I feel overwhelmed when you have done the honors from your team.
God bless. God bless, ma'am. God bless, ma'am. God bless. Thank you. Best Vice Chancellor Award, Professor Y.S. Sthite Gowda ji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Tumkur University, Karnataka. Oh, he took so much of efforts to be with us from the car, and he stopped the car and then he talked to us, and thereafter he was walking a particular lane also. I saw both the sides, high-rise buildings. Professor Y.S. Sthite Gowda ji, are you there? Honorable Vice Chancellor. Okay. Best Vice Chancellor Award, Dr. Sibaram Kharaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sharda University, Uttar Pradesh. Are you there?
Dr. Gulshanji. Hello, Dr. Gulshanji.
Are.
Sthite Gowda here.
Sir, I will come back to you. देखिए हम फिर वापस आ गए. I have come back to your name, sir. I have just got right in front of me again. First of all, my heartiest congratulations to you You were inside the car, you stopped the car, and Professor Pathak Sahab was to moderate that particular panel discussion, and he was kind enough, and you spoke to us. 1 minute, sir, you kindly speak to us now.
Thank you. Good evening, Gulshanji, that you're a motivator. That I am pleased and place on record to have my work and that of Tumkur University acknowledged and recognized in this way. I'm happy to accept this prestigious award, not just for myself, but also for my colleagues at the university. My vibrant career spanning 38 years has been recognized through your organization. This academic journey has been successful and I am satisfied. Today, as the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Tumkur University, consider it a proud moment for congratulate and appreciate the noble endeavor of International Chamber for Service Industry through GES 2020 for honoring teachers like me and their dedicated profession through this award. Thank you very much, Gulshanji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I make a commitment to you right in the audience on the World Teachers Day that for your professors, all your students, all the colleges which are affiliated with you, organize a program for them one of these days. I will tell my Colonel K.C. Menon, who is based out of Bangalore. He is my in charge for entire South India. I will tell him to coordinate with you. We will organize interaction with you for about 40 minutes one of the afternoons, and we will also encourage your children the best possible way.
Definitely,
because lot to be done together, all of us, sir. So thereafter, thank you, sir. Thank you. Then thereafter we got Dr. Sivaram Kharaji. You were about to speak, I think. Sharda University. Yes, please go ahead, sir. Please go ahead. Heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Gulshan Sharma and Kajal ji, and the day-long organizing such a wonderful and quality events. And really, it will raise the bar of the Indian educations. As in Sadha University, also we are trying to maintain the quality educations and the industry blended learning to comply with the national education policy.
Wonderful.
And, quality educations will be the need of the hour to give the employability skills and to create the knowledge economy in India. And certainly, I think that new education policy India will bid, and it can in-house produce many solutions, and thereby enriching the social life as well as the economy of the country. And I'm feeling very honored, sir, for giving me such a prestigious award. Thank you very much.
God bless you, sir. Where Sharda University is located in Uttar Pradesh?
Sharda University is located in Greater Noida.
Greater Noida. Okay. While going to Agra on that super highway, does it come on the way? If I come from Mayur Vihar side?
After Mayur Vihar, it is almost 17-18 kilometers.
Okay.
And Greater Noida, from Greater Noida, exit is there. You will move towards Agra.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Best Vice Chancellor Award, Emerite Professor Dr. Devendra Pathak ji, the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Uttaranchal University, Dehradun. Somebody will ask how I have got a special bond with Dehradun. Ladies and gentlemen, your first salary, your first rank, your first uniform, 1973, when I got commissioned into the Indian Army, that was Chetwood Hall. When I talk about Dehradun, and when I talk about that particular place, so that is next to my soul and spirit. So great Professor Dr. Devendra Pathak ji, Uttaranchal University. This is also named as Devabhumi. I think like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal also calls that it's a Devabhumi. So few words from your side of the inspiration to the entire universe, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we are a stone's throw from IMA, our university's location. So I look forward to next time, whenever you happen to visit to Dehradun, kindly let me know.
I will bring Lieutenant General, Commandant of the Indian Military Academy to your campus.
Wonderful, wonderful. It will be a really great obligation to me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Very kind of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the finale. Now, somebody asked me, what is the secret of your remaining healthy, happy, and what is that happiness? Let me share now with all of you. Let me get my entire family together. And we got to change to the gallery view. If all of us, we are together over here, we can switch on our cameras because globally when the video will go, you know, I want it should capture in a way that world over everybody is in a position to see, and this particular historic moment on the World Teacher Day, it should go in a way that all of us, we are together like a family from India. And those of us, Sanjay Datta ji, C. Pratibha ji, and Usha ji, and Ajay Kumar ji, and Shilpa ji, if all of us, we can switch on our cameras, it would be really very kind of all of us, very kind of. Yes, that's lovely. So, because I want the video should be such that it should go world over. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there are 4 secrets to remain young and to remain happy and to remain healthy. If you want to touch, first of all, today itself on the World Teacher Day, I request all of you, remove this from your storage, that you have got a limited life on this planet. There is nothing like that. इसका तो इतना ही लिखा था, इसको तो इतना ही रहना था, इसको तो इतना ही चलना था. I have lost a lot of my course mates, my batchmates, my colleagues in this journey. And in the last 40 years, I have been doing a lot of experiments, and I want to share with all of you. Kindly practice one therapy, and that is very important. Kindly go through on the YouTube, what is Ikinawa? There is something known as Ikinawa, Ikinawa, Ikinawa. This is a place in Japan. Now, what exactly is Ikinawa? Ikinawa's first principle is remain happy, come whatever may. Because every time, everything will not happen the way we want. It will not happen. It will never ever happen. If Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Pathak Saab's mic is not working properly, there may be a technical fault. There was a lady, she was talking, and that time the light went off, and then our John Abraham Saab was kind enough to give her opportunity again to speak about a minute or two. That light was not in her control. Most of the time we want things to happen our way. Things will never ever happen your way, but you got to find happiness the way they happen. That is first part. Secondly, एक बड़ा important चीज है, that thing was left over in between, but I want to share with all of you, and that is music therapy is very important in life. Very, very important. Listen to music, humming करो, खाना बना रहे किचन में तो गुनगुनाओ. आपका जो भी भाव होगा वो खाने में जाएगा. जो आयुर्वेदा है, it is a very scientific, you know, when you practice it, then only you understand. You will be surprised to know, I served with the armed forces. I served in the Ministry of Tourism. I travel world over. I have not tasted even a beer till date, because I consider it's basically, I don't want to use certain harsh words, because in education profession, you don't want to use those words. But I consider it is basically with the cow dung and the urine is coming, and that is the people drink. And some of the people take whiskey and scotch, and when they take, they make a face also. बहुत कड़वा है, ऐसा है. तो भाई, why are you taking? Huh? And then next morning they will eat lassi, buttermilk. They will say hangover hai. Then why are you drinking? My humble request to each one of you is remain vegetarian. Remain vegetarian. I have not tasted anything non-veg till date. I had the worst of hardships world over when I traveled. उस समय vegetarian खाना नहीं मिलता था. I used to survive on rice and milk. I used to survive on fruits for days together. Sapporo, Hokkaido, Kobe, Kyoto, Fukuoka, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, Yokohama, Tokyo, South Korea, Taiwan, world over wherever I traveled. And all the places only non-veg food, no vegetarian. But I told, I got to survive come whatever may. And what you eat, that is the way your body reacts. There is a girl called Subha Jain. This name you can write down somewhere. Subha Jain. She has got four videos. She has got 4 videos, 9 minutes each. After seeing those 4 videos, your profile towards life will change. You will start thinking altogether different. So my request to you is, first of all, everything is not within your control. There is something within your control. There is something outside your control. What is within your control, try and make it the best. What is not within your control, don't cry on that. Don't cry on that. That's one part which I would like to request you. Number 2, remain happy all the times. Laugh. Without purpose, laugh. Stand before mirror, laugh. Early in the morning when your children are sleeping, I get up. Okay, this is the next part. Sleep 9:30, come whatever may. Because if you don't sleep early, you will not get up. I get up at 3:30. And early in the morning, I talk to stars. And when I talk to stars, they are so beautiful. I see Saptarishi, I see moon, I see full moon, then I see the declining of the moon, then I see partial moon, and then that goes away. And another very important thing, if you want to remain energetic whole day, early in the morning, 5 minutes, only 5 minutes, not more than that, when the sun is rising, and the yellow portion of the sun is there, not white portion. The yellow portion of the sun, you have to absorb in your body. Stand at a place when the sun is rising, it should get inside your body. That is your vitamin D. Most of the doctors and surgeons, they have a deficiency of the vitamin D today, because of which their bones and their cartridges and everything has got a problem. Think positive, live positive, be vegetarian, be a teetotaler, enjoy music, find happiness all the time. And this world, day before yesterday, somebody asked a question, very interesting question. He told me, this body, what you are carrying, this body, what you are carrying, you have given the name to this body. Okay, fine. Somebody told, she is your mother, he is your father, he is your brother, she is your sister. All that names have been given. I got to find out that nurse, because who knows when I was born, whether she is my mother or somebody else is my mother. The card was given and everything was there, and I started believing because she gave me love and affection. Anybody who gives you love and affection in life, irrespective, and love has got many meanings. It can be fatherly love, it can be grandfatherly love, it can be brotherly love, it can be colleague love, anything. But love humanity. When you love humanity, when you are happy, the world is happy. It is very important, all of us, we have to understand. You've got to remain happy from today on the World Teachers Day. I will give you the secret of life, and that is the life, biological life is in your hand. It is in your hand. How many years you want to live on this planet? That is in your hand. That is your karma. What exactly are you doing? And one day, this biological process, this what has come on this universe, on this earth, it has to decay. See your childhood picture, you will not be able to recognize. See your school picture, you will not be able to recognize. Only you can recognize, but many other people who met you 40 years back, they said, "Arey, aap aise ho gaye ho?" And some of us, they meet me and they say, "Arey, tum 40 saal ke baad bhi waise hi ho." Ladies and gentlemen, be happy. Be happy. Give happiness to others. Share knowledge. Share knowledge as much as you can. And when you share the knowledge, you do wonders on this planet. I think Madam wants to say something. Yes, ma'am. You want to say something, ma'am? Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Speaking, Rashmi ma'am, are you speaking or I should speak?
You should speak.
No. 1 minute है आपके पास, 1 minute दूसरी मैम के पास, क्योंकि 4:45 I have to close the session. Yeah,
Sir,
please go ahead.
Sir, with due respect, twice we were out of current. Sundar English Medium School has been announced for award. We just want to know that.
Sorry?
Sundar English Medium School, Karjat.
Yes.
It has already been announced.
Okay.
Because it is rural development, the challenge is what we were facing here. We want not even parents, teachers, and every other schools apart from CBSE should be entered.
I made a request to all my brothers and sisters, those are in this program.
Sir, we lost current for twice in the session.
No worries. Kindly post your school, kindly post your name, kindly post your contact number, because world is shrinking. Nobody has got extra time. So whatever time is there on this planet, all of us, we have to get together and we have to do networking. This is something very important, and that's what I have been telling everybody. Wherever you are, start bringing your people at 5 p.m. And I'm not telling that you log in. Don't wait for any password or any Zoom word or ID or password. Nothing is required. Come straightway on the webinar, that is on the YouTube channel, Dr. Gulshan Sharma. At 5 o'clock, I'm starting today a program from the Middle East, 5 to 6 p.m. That's why I told you 4:45, because 15 minutes I have to give rest to my vocal cords. 5 o'clock again, I'll be coming back for the program. What I want to share is, age is a biological number. Today, me and my little younger sister, Shakuntala ma'am, we both have to take it. It is a biological number. It doesn't make a difference. And I can tell you today, you can have a reverse engineering on your body. You can have a reverse engineering on your body. और हमको नहीं पता है, हम इस चीज के बारे में नहीं जानते हैं. कोई कोयम्बटूर से थे, कोई कोयम्बटूर से थे. Somebody was from Coimbatore. Somebody was there from Coimbatore. Who was there? I think somebody participated today from Coimbatore. I want to visit Coimbatore and want to meet Satguruji. That gentleman, look at him. He's doing, you can't imagine. I'm going to say what respect he enjoys world over in the different countries, different continents, wherever. People are mad for him. So this madness could be altogether different. The love and affection for somebody could be altogether different. So for me, I am in love with Satguruji. I am in love with Vivekananda's philosophy. I also conduct a program every Friday evening on Buddhism. And I am also in love with technology. I want to learn like a small child from everybody. You all are my teachers, and everybody gives something. It is our way. How do we take from others? It is all up to us. Don't close your mind. हमको तो 2 साल बाद retire होना है. अब हम तो retire हो गए. Sorry, nobody has retired. And like Chandigarh was earlier known as a city of tired, retired, nearly expired people, because people were using that term for Chandigarh earlier. People are tired and retired and nearly expired. And I told them, change the definition. You got to have a new definition for yourself. Now, what I want to tell you is, ladies and gentlemen, उनका नाम मुझे नहीं पता है, Dr. Hegde, Karnataka से एक Dr. Hegde. I'm mad for that man. I wanted to meet him. I found his mobile number, but his family told me that he is not well. I pray to Almighty, we need more souls like him. We need more people like him. He is a reformer. And I pray to Almighty, my rest of the life should be given to Dr. Hegde. That is the way. I need more people like him. You know, we have to find out the right people. If all of us on the World Teachers Day today, if all of us get together as a family, okay, let's make a group. Let's make a group. Let's make a WhatsApp group. And all of us, we should be in one WhatsApp group. Every evening, I will send you invitation if you want. Anything happening on the planet good, I'll share with you. Every Saturday evening, 6:15, we are talking about Ayurveda. We talked about rheumatic arthritis. We talked about spondylitis. We talked about eyes problem. We talked about immunity boosting. Everything we have taken the world over. So ladies and gentlemen, I think from today, let's take a new journey. All of us, we should be together like a family. It doesn't make a difference we have met for the first time or we met earlier. It doesn't make a difference. Today we have met, destiny decided. If we have met, let's move in this journey forward. All of us together. All of us together. Okay? If you want to pick up, because 1,200 or 12,000, Arpit, how many schools you mentioned?
12,000 in bucket, sir.
12,000. Okay. Now, Arpit Duggar met me about a month back. I have picked up so much love for him, like my son, like my younger brother. I have not met him even, but it is all his passion towards his work. Ladies and gentlemen, when you will love your work, when you will be passionate toward your work, the world would be altogether different. I'm so passionate, even if you wake me up in the middle of the night and you say, I want to do a webinar because I have got something and I didn't get time earlier, I will get up for you and I will do it. That is the commitment I have got for all of us. So that is the way we should move. And yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead. It is 4:46. Yes.
Every individual should contribute their goodness to make nation.
Yes.
Of them.
Yes. All of us together. All of us together. I will get the group made. If you have posted your details in the chat box today, if you have not posted, you are going to lose something. If you have posted over here, you will find the WhatsApp group created immediately, and we will call it World Teacher Day Group. World Teacher Day Group. And we will work out, we will plan it out. All of you will be getting, let's share the knowledge with each other. Let's share the human, whatever God, and आपका अपना कुछ भी नहीं है, मेरा अपना कुछ भी नहीं है. This vocal which is coming is not mine. There is some Atman which is sitting inside. And this Atman, when it goes away, this gentleman stops. So ये शरीर तो मेरा नहीं है. This is not my body. This is not my constitution. इसको हमको पाउडर लगा के बहुत अच्छे से नहीं रखना है. इसका इस्तेमाल करना है. जितना इस्तेमाल करोगे उतना अच्छा रहेगा. जितना इस्तेमाल करोगे. This body basically should be utilized for global humanity. And the last word from Dr. Rashmi Tyagi. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, I don't know how much blessed I'm feeling and what a bliss I'm feeling, sir. I don't know. Sir, आपसे हमें मिलने का मौका मिला. शायद हमने कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए हैं और शायद हमारी आगे की जिंदगी भी
मैं तो हर एक को अपना फैमिली का मेंबर समझता हूँ. You all are my brothers and sisters, and all of us together we have to take on this journey ahead. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, I'm closing this session because I got to go to Doha, Qatar now. My program is starting at 5 o'clock over there. Come on the YouTube channel at 5 p.m. and let us listen to school education empowerment coming all the way from the Middle East this evening. All the best. God bless all of us. Wishing you all a wonderful, wonderful World Teachers Day and green morning, green afternoon, green evening, wherever you are. And it's such a pleasure to have all of you.